You guys, I'm Kawaii Potato Queen, and you guys should go watch part 1. My channel, name's right here, link in description, and I'm gonna let her take it away.
I'm Hideki Spike. This is like my second video. My first one was an epic fail, if you actually ask me. And we're doing...
I found a roly-poly, hold up. Okay, I'm gonna play with this.
I guess, let her do what she do. Anyways, on my channel, we're gonna do the types of friends part 2.
Oh, and by the way, since they just want to ignore me like that, yeah,
and this is Aishana.
I'm Aishana.
She's Aishana, and
yeah, and so go check out my channel. As I said before, Aishana doesn't have a channel.
Well, it's kind of mine and my other friend's channel.
What's the name, bro?
Olivia Alston, and our only video was an epic fail.
Oh, my channel wasn't an epic fail. Okay, go check out both of their channels, and her name is right here also, so go type that in and type it together.
Okay, so
there is one type of freaking friend, that likes anime.
Yeah,
the anime friend.
That's
I'm
me
not
right
that
here.
Friend.
Right here with My Little Monster. Come on.
I am not.
Yes. Anyways, I'm sorry. I mean, Soul Eater was awesome, but come on, you don't even know?
I'm not that friend. I do not watch anime. I watch one anime.
Heaven's Lost Property?
Yes. That is my only anime that I love. And I probably lost half of my subscribers by saying that.
There was also that one.
Just edit that out.
There's also that one type of friend that would actually annoy you sometimes, like that one that would actually.
That annoying friend. That
annoying friend. That
you love them so much, but they can be so annoying sometimes.
Actually, that's kind of like me.
Oh my god, I wish I could say names right now. Seriously.
That's just kind of like
no
me.
names, because they watch these videos and they find out their annoying friend. Not that
everything's gonna be fucking over.
Actually, I don't have that.
Just saying.
I don't have that friend. Actually, I cut people out of my life that I personally think are annoying.
Nope,
Wish I could say names. I do. I'm not fake.
I'm not
actually. I am that friend.
100% real, guys.
What? Do you know any type of friend?
Okay, so that one friend who is too protective over you.
That one flat-chested friend.
That's actually kind of cool.
That's her.
I mean, you don't...
Me.
Boobs always get in the way, though.
What are you trying to say?
Like, come on. I used to be that athletic friend, and then I started growing boobs, and it was all over.
Look.